Picture yourself standing atop Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. The air is thin, the cold bites at your skin, and the world stretches endlessly below. You feel like a conqueror. But what if I told you that beneath your boots lies a secret older and grander than the mountain itself? A secret of an ancient ocean called the Tethys? 450 million years ago, there was no Everest, no Himalayas. Instead, there was the Tethys Ocean, a vast, warm sea teeming with life. Coral reefs flourished, trilobites scuttled along the ocean floor, and ammonites swam gracefully in its waters. When these creatures died, their shells and skeletons sank to the seabed, forming layers of limestone, a time capsule of life frozen in stone. Then came the Great Collision. The Indian plate hurtled toward the Eurasian plate, smashing into it with such force that the seabed of the Tethys Ocean was pushed upward, crumpling into what we now know as the Himalayas. Over millions of years, Everest emerged, carrying the fossilized remains of that ancient marine world to dizzying heights. Today, fossils of brachiopods, ammonites, and corals can still be found in the rocks of Everest, silent witnesses to its journey from ocean floor to the roof of the world. Imagine climbers brushing snow off a rock to find the delicate imprint of a seashell, proof that this towering peak was once part of the Tethys, alive with sunlight and salt water. So the next time you think of Everest, remember it isn't just a mountain, it's a monument to the Earth's restless spirit, a reminder of a time when the roof of the world was the floor of the sea. And as you stand there with the winds howling and the horizon endless, ask yourself, are you truly conquering Everest, or are you simply a guest in its timeless story? If you need a detailed story around this fascinating transformation, please comment.